Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. So today is Tuesday, March 26th, and this is my recap of the top videos of the day. And gold versus the dollar came in number 3 today, so I'm going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on gold, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So gold did make a pretty good push down right at the 61% fib. It definitely looks like a downtrend, probably a wave A. Looks like 1, 2, 3 waves up, which I think looks like a wave B. I think more than likely this is going to keep on going down, probably for a wave C, probably take out the low of wave 4 over here, and then maybe we'll make a correction to the whole move up on the daily time frame, or maybe it'll just reject this wave 4 structure and continue back up. Either way, I think we'll better recognize when this correction is over, and we'll be able to start looking for shorts and start looking for longs again. So I definitely think this is the most likely scenario. We do have to be careful because the trend is definitely up on the higher time frames, and it always could just keep on trending up and not even take out the low of wave 4. But with the shape that it's making, I still think that is the most likely, probably the most likely possibility. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my new website linked down here below. As always, thanks and happy trading.